Hey there, Echo Heine. I was going through some old contacts and came across your store. How's everything been going on in Amazon since we last connected? By the way, my name is Audrey, and I am a business development representative at the Amazon Guy. Now, while looking, I actually spotted a few opportunities on your account and thought it would be great to reconnect and discuss them. I'm here to help brand like yours uncover new opportunities on Amazon, so let's dive in. First thing I'd actually like to talk to you about is traffic and what drives traffic are your keywords. Pull this list of keywords right here using a keyword tool and see and observe. You have a total keywords of 4,257, organic of 3,529, and paid keywords of 5,404. Would like to have this one right here is a 1 to 2 ratio of PPC to SEO, where every one paid keywords must equivalent to two organic keywords. I'd highly encourage you to increase the number of your organic keywords because this is free traffic. You don't really have to pay for these keywords, and there are still thousands of keywords out there that you can still index for. Your paid keywords is actually the fastest way for you to increase the number of your sales, but you might be overspending on this right now when you can just maximize your organic keywords. This one right here is your word cloud. These are the most important keyword for your listing, so I highly encourage you to take advantage of this one. Sorted your keywords to your search volume, so these are the highly searched keywords in your category. Great job because you were able to advertise and index for a lot of highly searched keywords. Most of your rankings are 2 and 3 digits. 50 um Number 50 ranking below is great. 50 up and 3 digit ranking would really take a lot of scrolling for us to be able to reach your product. There are also a lot of empty spaces that you can still take advantage of. For now, let's talk about the keyword, which is the bamboo toilet paper. It has a total search volume of over 24,000. Great job because you're able to advertise and index for this. Moving forward, would really encourage that you have to maintain this level of ranking on your advertised keyword because you're doing it on a single digit. That's very aggressive. So on your organic indexing, it would be best if you have utilized a single digit ranking also because that would really help with traffic and conversion. So if I click through to this keyword, I'm going to show you how big this category is here in Amazon. Now, in the top of the listings of that one keyword, there is over $13 million total revenue for this category. I'm going to show you something interesting. Your brand right here, it was able to sell over 6,300 products. It gained over $200,000 in revenue for the past 30 days. It's really good to see right here because you have sales, you have revenue, people are buying your product. That's actually a good sign. Moving forward, if you take also those, we will help you open up new opportunities on your brand, maximize your SEO strategies, as well as improve your keyword distribution so that you can increase the number of your sales. But for now, let's take a look at one of your competitors. Better Way right here is able to sell over 14,000 products. It gained over $400,000 total revenue for the past 30 days. So you should really ask yourself right here, are your rankings sufficient enough to compete in this category that has a total revenue of over 13 million? I think we can both agree that the answer is no. There's still a lot of market share out there that you can take advantage of and will utilize that one by using our conversion and click-through rate as part of our SEO strategy. Straight to observe your competitors' keywords here. By the way, this is not a product comparison. We're just trying to show you how the strategizing and see how you can benefit from them anyway. Now, their total number of keywords is actually lower compared to the number of keywords, but still, they were able to outsell you. Now, don't worry because if you take also this will help you maximize the use of your keywords so that they can increase the number of your sales. Let's start off by taking a look at your strike zone keywords. You have to utilize the use of 20 through 50. Here we have a total of 545 strike zone keywords. Basically, these heroes right here doesn't really do much for you because they're seen at the bottom part of page one. But don't worry because if you take also this will help you put them up the top 10 word ranking for better visibility in traffic and also give you here a keyword export for free. Let's go back to your listing. Let's try to look for the things that we can improve. First on the list is your title. Your title must actually utilize the use of 150 to 200 character count, as well as include at least 5 relevant keywords in your title because that really helps you with traffic, as well as the use of your bullet points. Great job because you have here maximize your bullet points. Just please don't forget to update this one regularly because Amazon's algorithm it does change constantly. Images right here, you have a product image with a clear white background. A great job. You have your infographics, you have a little bit of lifestyle image, a video advertisement. Now let's observe. You actually lack the use, or what you can actually include here is the use of a customer avatar, where you showcase a person using your product. That would also help with your click through rate. So if you need updating with images, we can do that for you. Straight to see here now if you repost content. Job well done because you have your brand story. You also have your product description. You have big images, scrollable text right here. You also have your product catalogs. You can, by the way, include a clickable link that could route to your store, as well as the use of an alt text. Great job because you have alt text. Alt text is basically the text behind the image. This could be up until 100 characters and it includes misspellings and Spanish terms. Highly encouraged to maximize your overall A plus content because this really helps traffic and sales. And by the way, this is not a set and forget, but don't worry because if you take course with us, we will really help you with these. So now, here at the Amazon guy, Amazon has actually changed a lot. And here at my Amazon guy, we've developed some exciting new strategies that could be a good fit for a brand. Would you be available to have a quick chat this week? Feel free to book a meeting directly in the calendar using the link below my email. Looking forward to catching up and thank you very much.